This is the Frugal Gardener. I'm on the homestead. It's mid-morning. I'm in the process of planning out my spring and summer garden. And I struggled in deciding whether to make this next video or not because there's a lot of scammers on social media, and I don't want people to get the wrong idea. When you say the word free, people's expectations go through the roof, and that's something that I want to avoid. So when I say free trees, I want to right away explain to you that, number one, I'm not talking about actual like trees you buy from the big box stores, the 4 or 5 foot tall trees that you get from Lowe's and Home Depot and so forth. I'm talking about little trees, tiny trees that come in the mail. And when I say free, this is, in my opinion, and in the opinion of the company that sends you these trees free, because they come with your membership. I think I paid like about $12. It was like a very small fee. Anyway, stick with me and I'll explain. This is what the trees came in yesterday. Um, the name of the organization is Arbor Day Foundation. I joined them about 2 years ago. And this is the reason why. They send me 12 free trees a year. Now you can tell from the size of this uh, envelope that they aren't very big. But here's the deal. I don't have the money to go to Walmart or any of those stores and spend 25, $30 a pop for a tree. 4 trees is going to cost me over $100. The membership here, I don't know, 12, 15. I don't think it's really not that much. And you're not going to get like, big fruit trees. You're going to get small trees. This is what came with the trees. It tells you how to plant them, how to care for them in case that you're not going to be able to plant them right away. Before I go any further, I should explain to you, you can order these trees pretty much any time of year. And no, I'm not being compensated. No, they don't pay me. I'm doing this because there are a lot of people like myself who want trees, who have a large yard, or who has property, and they want to plant the trees, but they don't really have the funds. I have a granddaughter, 2.5 years old. She's amazing. I guess all grandparents say that about their granddaughters, but mine actually is. Anyway, she's 2.5, and it's very possible she can live to be 100. So this is going to be hers one day. And a lot of trees that we have on here now are crappy. And these are all at some point going to come down. And if I had, a bunch of money, I could just have somebody come in, landscape this bad boy, tear all these crappy trees down, and put in nice, good, expensive trees. So this is for people like myself who don't have the money to do that. This is what came. Yes, these are going to take longer to mature, but if I get 12 trees a year, do the math. In 10 years, that's 120 trees. That's not bad to replace the trees that I'm going to take down. And yes, it's going to take a while for them to mature. You see here on this eastern redbud, the mature height is 20 to 30 feet. It tells you how tall these trees are going to get. It tells you what color they are. It tells you how many you're going to get. It tells you exactly what you get in the package, and they send it to you based on your zone. I'm in zone 7A. So I ordered these back in probably January, and it's early May. So they know based on your zip code when to send these out to you. So this is also what's in here. In my, I'm not sure if this varies from your region, but it's crepe myrtle, and also in some cases, when necessary, they identify what's what with colors. So here's what came. These are separate because these are the crepe myrtles. This is 2 trees. Doesn't look very impressive. Doesn't look like much, but when you plant these, and you have to be patient. If you're impatient, then this is not for you. If you have the money, you don't want to wait, this is not for you. But for those of you who are looking for an inexpensive way to put trees in your garden, in your yard, this is a good inexpensive way to do it. I just noticed that these are already starting to bud. I'm not sure if I can give you a good shot, but this is starting to grow already. So that's a good sign. They moisten these for obvious reasons. I won't tell you my horror story about what happened to me with sweet potato slips a couple of years ago, but I've already told that story a couple times. You can see that these are bundled together. I'm not going to take them apart right now, but these will definitely be planted over the next day or two. So again, this is what we have: 5 flowering trees, 5 Norwegian spruce trees, and 2 crepe myrtles. So that's it. I mean, I'm not even calling this an unboxing. This is just kind of a way of getting the word out for people who, like myself, want to add some trees to the property. So I would call this free-ish, because there's always going to be somebody out there that's going to say, well, you said the trees were free, but I had to pay for the membership, so they aren't really free. Okay, fine. You know, I get it. The membership is not free. The trees are free. If you want to include that, let's say hypothetically, I don't know if the membership is, I'm not sure if it was $12 or $15, but let's say hypothetically it's $12. If it's $12, you're basically paying $1 a tree. So that's how I look at it. So anyway, that's where we are, and I'm looking forward to my next shipment of trees next spring. And they also have fruit trees and everything that you can buy at a discount with your membership. So I'm not going to spend any more time on this. If you're interested, it's the Arbor Day Foundation. It's a non-profit organization. Look it up, check it out for yourself. And if you like it, then get yourself some trees. This is the Frugal Gardener. I'll catch you guys on the next video, and I hope this was helpful to you. You guys enjoy your day, and I'll catch you soon.